In the heart of Parepora, where every lane breeds ambition, there lies a place that redefined what education means in Kashmir. 2013, the journey to becoming a doctor or an engineer was scattered. Every subject was taught in isolation. Students moved from one tutor to another, each corner of Srinagar holding a different classroom. In 2013, pillars of Kashmir's coaching legacy, Kard Khurshid sir, along with Altaf sir, from Fuses School of Chemistry, Altaf sir, from Irodov, Irfan sir, and Saddam sir, from Aristotle's School of Biology, and Riyazur Rahman sir, came together to form something new, something visionary, a place where physics, chemistry, and biology met not as subjects, but as a shared dream. And thus, CHI was born.
हमारा एक छोटा सा गोल था that we can bring quality education, proper guidance and discipline together in one place. और धीरे धीरे करके ये छोटी कोशिश जो है ये इतनी बड़ी बन गई जिसका नाम आप CHI के नाम से जानते हैं. ये नाम अब पूरे वादी कश्मीर में घर घर में गूंजता है and we are really proud of it.
Within just a few years, CHI began producing results that changed the map of education in Kashmir. Nearly 40% of Jammu and Kashmir's total medical and engineering selections came from one place. This place, that is CHI.
Once I sat here as a student, but today, with pride, I stand here as a teacher. My experience both as a student and as an educator, CHI was not just about teaching, it was about creating an ecosystem of excellence. Every student mattered.
Then came 2016, unrest in Kashmir, curfews, internet blackout, the valley froze. But CHI didn't stop. When the classrooms closed, the creativity opened.
इस दौरान जितने भी बच्चे CHI में एनरोल थे तो उनका ऑलमोस्ट सिलेबस कंप्लीट हो चुका था, बट कुछ सिलेबस बाकी रह चुका था. तो हमने सोचा किस तरीके से ये सिलेबस भी जो है बच्चों का कंप्लीट कराया जाए. तो फॉर दैट पर्पस हमने क्या किया, जितना भी सिलेबस रह चुका था उसके नोट्स हमने बना लिए और उससे रिलेट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस दिए जो कि उनको एग्जाम में काम आ सकते थे. तो वो सारे के सारे हमने अपलोड किए पेन ड्राइव में. फिर वो पेन ड्राइव CHI ने खुद हर घर में जाके इन बच्चों को जो है दे दिया ताकि वो एग्जाम में बहुत अच्छा स्कोर कर सके.
When hope seemed lost, CHI found a way.
The next phase brought innovation. In 2017 and 2018, CHI launched structured study material, the first of its kind in Kashmir.
चूंकि 2017 में नीट ने कंप्लीटली JTCT को रिप्लेस किया, अब बच्चों को नेशनल लेवल पे compete करना था. Therefore, at CHI, we could sense the entire structure and ecosystem of learning needs to be upgraded. And eventually, that upgradation paid. And CHI came up with the largest selection list in entire J&K in the following year.
Again, unrest in Kashmir, 2019. The abrogation of Article 370 and 35A.
बंद दुकानों और खामोश गलियों से ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे समय रुक सा गया हो. इंटरनेट और मोबाइल सर्विसेज बंद कर दी गई थी. स्कूल कॉलेज बंद थे.
But once again, CHI found a way.
और ऐसे हालात में CHI ने करीबन 1000+ स्टूडेंट्स को चंडीगढ़ रिलोकेट किया.
और इसके साथ साथ उस समय इतने सारे बच्चों को आउट ऑफ स्टेट अकोमोडेट करना बहुत मुश्किल था. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह CHI ने प्रूव करके दिखाया. चाहे वो बच्चों की स्टडीज हो, अकोमोडेशन की बात हो, खाने पीने की बात हो, CHI ने इस चीज को बड़े अच्छे से निभाया.
We completed the entire syllabus on time because dreams cannot be postponed.
2020, the world faced a new kind of silence.
COVID-19, the disease that defined our lives in 2020.
2020 is now the deadliest year in U.S. history. Tonight, authorities confirm it is being spread from human to human.
That's the shocking reality of the virus's lethal strength.
The global pandemic. But CHI was ready before anyone else. The first in the valley to go online initially on Zoom and then YouTube, and also the first to integrate smart boards.
In 2021, KAI embraced the hybrid model, blending offline precision with online flexibility. And though one of its founding pillars, Mr. Saddam Sir, took a different path, but the mission continued, stronger than ever.
KAI has always been about collective strength, not individuals. Our spirit was, is, and will be always unstoppable.
Post-COVID, the education landscape changed. National coaching giants entered Srinagar, bringing competition and challenge to the local setups. But KAI saw the opportunity while others saw threat.
We upgraded and improved our system and continued high-quality coaching at half the fee. That is how you win by staying authentic.
2013 से KAI ने अपनी कोर कॉम्पिटेंसी की वजह से इतना नाम, शोहरत और भरोसा लोगों का जीता है कि वैली के तमाम एजुकेशनल सेटअप्स इस नाम के साथ जुड़ना चाहते हैं। भले ही वो प्रीफिक्स लगा के, भले ही सफिक्स लगा के जुड़ना क्यों चाहते हैं? ताकि अपनी क्रेडिबिलिटी बढ़ा सके।
From curfews to classrooms, from blockades to breakthroughs, KAI stood tall. Because KAI was never just an institute, it was and will always be the heart of Kashmir's educational revolution. KAI, knowledge, integrity, excellence.